Hello everyone. I'm Used Car Studios, or Used Car Creations now actually. Welcome to another video, or part 2 of my Fall Guys tutorial. Today we are making the outfit for our Fall Guy out of a disposable mask. Enjoy. Welcome back. Oh, I can't believe it. I'm actually uploading frequently for once. We're working on the clothes for our Fall Guy now. If you remember from the last part, we made the jelly bean. So now we'll work on some clothes. This is, I believe it's called the Rookie outfit, and it's in the, I don't know whether you'd call it the Battle Pass, because you don't really fight, but it's in Fall Guys equivalent of the Battle Pass, which are in most other Battle Royale games. And it's basically sort of like a slightly 80s sports outfit with, complete with sweatbands, wrist sweatbands, and turquoise sports outfit. So first of all, we have to take off the arms and cut out the shape for the front of the t-shirt that we want. And now that we've done that, we can just pin it in place. That's what I've done. And then I cut out the shape for the back piece as well. And then you can just super glue them onto the body with super glue. So yeah. I'm sorry, I don't really know what to say honestly. So my last video received some very positive reception, which I'm happy with. I hope that you all enjoyed it. So now I'm making the belt, which goes around his t-shirt. Might be the bottom of his t-shirt, which might be a belt. I'm not sure. I basically just had to super glue it in place and then tie a knot. I know he actually has a tiny little bow, but it's impossible to make a bow on such a small scale. So I've just done that instead, and that's how I was making it out of clay. I was originally going to make the clothes out of fabric, but I decided it would be a lot more interesting and a lot easier to access a mask. So I used an old non-reusable mask and cut it up and used it to make these clothes. Also, I couldn't get hold of any fabric, but I think it still looks alright. Plus, I think the holes make it look even more like a sort of sports outfit, because you know how they have the sort of holes in them. So now making the shoes, we just get some blue clay and some white clay and put the blue clay on top of the white clay. I didn't have that much blue clay, so I had to use it sparingly. That's why there's so much white on the shoes, why they're a bit uneven. So now I'm making little Velcro straps for the shoes. I don't think it has them exactly like that, but I've just done them like that. I just cut some white rectangles and stuck them on. And now we're baking everything in the oven. Actually, no, not the Fall Guy, not the Fall Guy. If you're following this tutorial, do not bake the Fall Guy in the oven. The clothes will burn off. So now we're disemboweling him. We've taken off the arms, now we're taking off the legs. I didn't realise I have to take it apart this much last video, so I'm sorry if you followed this tutorial and you've made the feet and now you have to take them apart. But don't worry, you don't need that much more pink clay, you just have to put the legs on. So now I'm carving a little hole in the shoe so I can stick the wire in, since I already baked it. I'm just using my sort of drill-y hole poker tool, and then sticking wire in. So the wire I can just twist in and then add some glue afterwards. Just to say, later on I'm gonna try and stick them into the leg holes, but it doesn't work. So you have to bake them again once you put the wire in. So now that I've made the hole, I can just stick in the wire. So I was thinking that for my next video after this Fall Guy, so I've got one more video for the Fall Guy where I'm gonna make like a mini obstacle course or the finish line or something. After that, I think I might do some characters from Apex Legends. I've already got one that I'm in the middle of making. Please I won't tell you which one it is, but I hope you will like it. Please comment any suggestions, because I've kind of run out of ideas after the Fall Guy character and the Apex Legends character. I'd be happy to do anything. By the way, a little while ago, I said that I was going to do the agency from Fortnite. In fact, probably last time I uploaded. I was going to do it, but then Claim did it, who's another Clay YouTuber in case you don't know, and I didn't really want to copy his content, and also by the time I'd finished it, it was well into the next season of Fortnite, where the agency didn't exist anymore, so, yeah. But yeah, I'm still working on another Fortnite character as well. I think once my Apex Legends character and my Fortnite Legends character and my Fortnite character uploaded, then I can work on something else. Yeah. So now I'm just doing the other wire and sticking it into the shoe. Okay, so now that we've glued the wire in place, and while we wait for me to stick the feet on, I think I should talk about a couple of things, a couple of new social medias for the channel, which none of you will probably look at, but if you do, it would be great. So the channel does have a subreddit. I don't really know what to put on it yet, but I'll leave the link in the description, so feel free to join if you want to. The channel also has a Discord server where you can send suggestions, and if any of you follow my tutorials, you could put a picture of them. I also have a Patreon for my creations, so you can support me so I can get more clay and better camera equipment. So now I've made the leg as well as the foot, like the little pink stump. I'm just trying sticking the leg in. I'm going to realise in a second that it's kind of stupid and I should take it out and bake it first. Yep, which I've done. I'm cutting the leg a bit shorter as well, because it doesn't stick in properly. And then I'm pulling it out all together. Alright, so now that the leg's nearly done. Yeah, now the leg's nearly done. I was thinking, because I stopped the voice recording for a second, if you guys want, I could do something from the new Battle Royale game Hyperscape. It's very fun. If you haven't played it and you're on PC or console, you should try it. I'm not sponsored in any way. I just think it's cool. I could do something from that. By the way, if you're following this tutorial, I don't recommend putting the clay on the wire straight away because I super glued the wire in, but I didn't really leave it some time to dry, so I've actually had to cut out some parts where it failed. Or I might not even cut them out, I don't know. I'm not really paying enough attention to this. I'm very sorry. Right. So now I'm just gonna put the clay on. And yep. Some more of that. I should speed this bit up in fact. But now that I've done this recording I can't really be bothered. But now the feet are done. And so I'm going to go and put them back into the oven. Now the shoes are going into the oven and we're going to make the sweatband or headband, whatever you want to call it. So we're starting by cutting the top bit of the mask. I got some paint on it, so I was just trying to scrape it off. I'm cutting it down to make it even and testing if it goes around the fall guy's head. You don't have to make this thing out of a mask. I just thought it might be a cool idea. So now I'm painting it because it wasn't really the right colour. The headband's white and pink. I don't have any pink paint, so I'm just mixing some red and white and some blue. A tiny bit of blue though, just to make it slightly purpley. And after that's done, now I'm going to paint the mask. You can't really see it right now, but it doesn't matter. It's not that important. Yes, there it is. And so now the mask is going to dry. Not the mask, sorry, the headband. I'm going to stick the legs on now. It turns out I made them a little bit long, but it doesn't really matter because they're going to be covered by shorts later. I later discovered after I made this model, it's the first model I've made in a long time that actually stands up. So isn't it ironic that my first model that stands up is a fall guy? Okay, so now we're cutting up the second mask to make the shorts. By the way, this video is in no way against masks or anything. I just think if you're finished with a mask, this is a good thing that you can use it for. Use the mask for as long as you can. This is people will die if you don't. Like I saw this thing the other day. It was so there was some stupid anti-mask meme. It said when you're the only person in Walmart with no mask, and then it shows like a lion and a bunch of sheep. The only thing that's true about that is that the lion will probably kill some of the sheep. It's stupid. Please wear a mask. Do it for the good of everyone. So now I've made the shorts. You really just have to twist them and stick them together in the middle of between his legs. And now I'm making the pockets out of little bits of the mask strap. You just cut it into little strips and then glue them on. And then after I've done that, it's mostly done. I just have to stick the arms back on. And oh yeah, and do the armbands. The armbands I just got some of because the mask is like 3 layers. 2 of them are tissue, 1 of them is the turquoise thing. I just used the turquoise layer for the clothes, but now I'm using the tissue to make the armband. You just have to stick it on really. Yeah. After that's done, we'll stick the arms back on and the model will be finished. Can you comment if you've played Fall Guys? Comment down below, or seen a video of it. Comment down below which obstacle course or which level you think I should make for the part 3 of this, because I want to make like a mini level, but I don't know which one to do. So please comment any ideas if you have them, because I would really appreciate it. So now we are sticking on the sweatband. It doesn't quite meet at the end, but it doesn't matter because no one will really look at the back. I might make an extra bit another time, just to make it look a little better. But now that's finished. I guess we're done. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.